Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in case you ever noticed, this Moses, aka Ethan Speech, is in there. Break it down. So today, let's quickly dive into a simple strategy. We're going to be using the strategy on 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. So before we dive into it, I'm just going to spot some resistance and support here. So let me call this place a resistance. We're on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so this is a resistance. Let's put this place as a resistance. So now let's switch to the 5 minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, we want to spot where there's a support or a resistance. Now, on the 5 minute time frame, we need to draw the trend of the market. So let's just quickly draw the trend like this. Okay, according to this indicator over here, below here, the indicator says the market is above 50. Let me use an arrow so that you see the indicator I'm saying. This indicator here. So once it's above 50, that means the market is generally an uptrend market. So that's why I'm drawing this trend up. So after that, then we switch to our 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is our 1 minute time frame. And on the 1 minute time frame, we saw a, a strategy that we always use called the reverse point. Now look at it here. Here is the reverse point. You see, there's once, let me use another arrow so you can see everything I'm saying. Okay, there is a resistance here. Then after moving that one a little bit to form a support, then it broke it to touch another resistance here, then also came down to that reverse point. Now here's the reverse point. So there are two things involved. Number one, the market is generally up. It's an uptrend generally. And this is called higher highs. Just the way the market is forming it. We can call it higher highs. So we want to look for opportunity to buy since the market is an uptrend market. So that means we'll be looking for opportunities to buy. Okay. Once the candlestick it break down the reverse point, that simply means we are not going to sell because this is an uptrend market. We don't wanna go against the trend. They used to say the trend is your friend. Now this is a big bearish candlestick. We want to look for a bullish candlestick. Once there's a bullish engulf candlestick, then we're gonna enter the trade. So let's just quickly wait for the bullish engulf candlestick, and we pick the trade. The moving average is quite simple. It's moving average 8 with shift 2. Yeah, moving average 8, shift 2. Once the candlestick close above it, just this candlestick close above it. Okay, it's not yet closed. So it's about to close above it here. So once it close above it, I'm going to pick a buy. So let's just quickly wait for it so that we can make this a live trading. Oh, okay. Let me draw the trend resistance of the market. The trend resistance of the market. Yeah, this is the trend resistance. This is the trend support, and this is the trend resistance. And this is the key support and resistance, and this is the reverse point. The point here at which we want to take our trade. That point is called the reverse point. And you see a lot of bearish rejection. The place is a support. It's a support. It's a resistance before, but it's now a support. So that means we want to look for opportunity to buy. But we are seeing a lot of weak rejection here. A lot of weak rejection. So that means the support is not strong enough. But it's making these videos to be too long. So once this video is more than 5 minutes and there isn't a moving average crossover or it breaks these supports, I'm going to close the video. But that's one of the best ways to analyze the chart, breaking it down from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. That's one way. Remember, we go to a 15-minute time frame to spot a support and resistance. And on the 5-minute time frame, we drew our trend support and trend resistance. And on the 1-minute time frame, we look for the reverse point and we're looking for a good entry. Assume I knew about this market, assume I was in the market before. Yeah, is another reverse point. Yeah, you see that? You see that? And that played very well. There's a resistance here, then the market broke it, then touch a resistance here again, then come back to turn it to a support, then break it. Then the same thing is happening. Yeah, The same thing want to happen here, but eventually it didn't happen. Now you see this giant bearish candlestick, so that means the reverse point is rendered invalid. Do you get that? So the next support you'll be looking for is this. Is this support? But I don't think I'm gonna wait that long. But perhaps you get the points now. You get the points. So that's it. That's how to analyze the chart. So please do me a favor, like this video, click the subscribe button. I really appreciate it if you do that. Thank you very much.
Music, please. I'm so